Today I'm going to show you how to retrieve the host name from the IP address in Excel and also program the host name macro. By the end of this video, you will be able to determine the host name from the IP address. So let's get started. To get started, let us download the Excel file from GitHub page. The link is found below in the description. So open up the GitHub page and press the download button. Now open up the Excel file. In this Excel file, we determine the IP address based upon the host name. Let me first check if the hosts 134 and are accessible. For this, I'll be using ping function communication for the hosts are available. These are going to be the hosts for which we will be finding the host name. Okay, and I will also get the IP address for google.com using the ping function. So for this, I just type ping www.google.com. Okay, here I have the IP address for www.google.com. Once I have the IP address in the column A, so I'll also rename the column B header to hostname. Update the text for the macro too. Okay, by pressing Alt F11, we switch to VBA Code. First thing is to change the subroutine name to lookup hostname. Here in this VBA code, we are going to do minimal changes to get our hostname. First step is to update the ping command by adding -a like so. Then we need to update the regex pattern. You can pause the video here and type in the regex pattern. We also need to update the matches argument. If there are any matches, then we retrieve the first item of the submatch. Make sure you type here submatches and not sub items. It's a mistake. This step is essential to retrieve the host name. And one final piece of the code, we need to update the return value. So let's switch back to Excel and execute the function. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.